3 squared gives us 9. So we have 9 minus 9 divided by 3 and the times 3. Now we do this multiplication. 3 times 3 gives us 9. So we have 9 minus 9 then divided by 9. 9 divided by 9 gives us 1. So we have 9 minus 1, which equals 8. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one exponent, one subtraction, one division, and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this exponent, then this division, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this exponent. 3 squared gives us 9. So we have 9 minus 9 divided by 3, then times 3. Now we have one subtraction, one division, and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. And as I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. So first 9 divided by 3, which equals 3. So we have 9 minus 3, then times 3. Now we have to do this multiplication. 3 times 3 equals 9. So we have 9 minus 9, which gives us 0. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 0.